So we hear a lot of talk about ring lights, but what about this simple $4 ring light? Well, let's check it out together in this unboxing and review video. Purchased at my local Dollar Plus store, I have the Tech One ring light. So this ring light comes in at $4 a piece, and unboxing it was just as traditional as anything else. Comes with its miniature tripod. It actually has the exact same controller as any standard ring light, and the ring light itself is about 4 or 5 inches in length. Now, I wish I could actually confirm the size of this ring light, but it was not written anywhere amongst the box. I guess it's because they're looking at it as a simple makeup light, but it also mentions that it's for video, so it would be a really nice dynamic if they could write on the box, what is the size towards this ring light? Now, I will admit, for $4 a piece, it is nice that this light is dimmable, but it also has temperature control, so it can go from neutral, cold, or warm settings, whichever one you prefer. Now, how does this actual light do towards YouTube videos? Well, I put it to the test. I turned off my soft boxes, and I actually mounted this little ring light towards a arm stand that is meant for a microphone. I adapted it to the shock mount. Don't do that. I don't encourage it, but whatever. And I put it up above the camera. Now, what's important when it comes to doing lighting with ring lights, especially if you have glasses, is to make sure it is not against your face too aggressively. If so, you are going to have rings in your glasses and you can't avoid that. But this light is better as an accent light. Didn't work too well, it wasn't bright enough. Now, for those that do not know, I actually have another ring light as well. So I have this 10-inch UV size ring light, and what I did is I mounted this actual ring light to an extension tripod, mounted it behind the camera, and extended it upwards. And this way, the small ring light and that ring light could work together, and I like the aspect more. Also, what's great upon it is I can switch them between warm and cold, cold and warm, until I'm getting a temperature control that I like better with the light settings. Now, overall, I don't find these two lights together are my preferred favorite when it comes to making videos. I prefer something like a softbox because it helps fill the face more. As well, it will help cover any bags that are underneath your eyes, which I notice are a lot more intense with just even the two ring lights. Now, it's always fun to play around my ring lights and make them into one. I don't know the reason why, but if you wanted just one stronger light, you can mount these two together. Depending on the different adapters you have, you can adapt the small ring light into the bigger ring light because the bigger ones tend to have a cell phone holder that comes with it. And what I tried to do is I tried to put the two of them together, mount them over the camera and see how that turns out. But it's the same thing. It's less fulfilling on the face. It gives too much bags out of the eyes, but it's definitely something that would work out if you're trying to do a startup video and this is your first time making YouTube videos. Now, overall, would I say that $4 is worth it? Absolutely. If you have the tripods to extend over your camera, but also if you have more than one of these lights, definitely a great introduction to start off on YouTube. If you get 3 of them together for 12 bucks, I think that is a solid deal. That way you can have one in the middle, one on the side, and the other one on the other side to cascade a more even look amongst your face. Now, even though ring lights aren't the favorite thing for my face, what I can always do is if I'm not going to use them for my face on a YouTube video, is I can use them as an accent light. So I can double up on these two lights together. I can put them behind my sofa with no lights on behind me and still have a pretty cute accent light. Or I can switch my GVM to a dark blue and then also have a nice pop of an accent light sticking out with the color together. Either way, you don't have to go without ring lights. You can use them for many multi-functions, and for $4 a piece, these make for great accent lights in the background of your YouTube videos. So there you have it, $4 ring lights wrapped up into a very quick video. Highly encourage them, they're worth the money and you can do so much with them. And if you haven't already checked out my channel, I highly encourage you to do so because I have playlists like this that need to be checked out by you, and I will see you next week for another video.